Hey everyone, let's keep on going and start talking about dictionaries. Let's start off by creating a variable. We'll say our dictionary, and we'll set this equal to curly brackets, how we did before. And then remember that a dictionary is full of key value pairs. So the first item in the key value pair is the key. We'll say key 1, how we did before, and then value 1. We'll put a comma, and then we'll actually hit enter here and do our first multi-line variable. So then we'll say key 2, colon, value 2. We'll say print our dictionary, and then save our file. We'll type in Python 3, and then the name of this file is dictionaries.py. We see that we have a dictionary made up of 2 key value pairs. Key 1 is related to value 1, and key 2 is related to value 2. Now remember that our keys can be some type of property. So let's say, how we did before, name, and then the value of name for me would be Derrick. We could say height, and then we can pass in 6 foot, so 6 foot. And now we can also keep on going and create as many key value pairs that we want. So let's say another one, and we'll say location, and we'll give me a location of lost. Dictionaries are very powerful to us, and we'll use them a lot. The reason why is we can use these keys to pull out information from our dictionary. Put square brackets, and then we can put name. This should return to us in the terminal my name, which it does. This makes it very easy for us to pull out properties values using a dictionary. We're also able to change these values because a dictionary is mutable. We can do the same thing, so we'll actually just take this line of code here, we'll copy it, paste it here, and then let's change the name. So instead of Derrick, let's say that my name is now Michael. Now we'll drop down and say print our dictionary. We're readily able to change the values in our dictionaries using this method. This is a very nice feature that you may use a lot. So we know that we can change values, but let's say that we wanted to add a new value to our dictionary. We could do the same thing that we did before, say our dictionary, and try to index a value. But if we change this value to something that's not already in the dictionary, we create it in our dictionary. So let's say eye color is equal to blue. We'll print our dictionary. And since the key eye color is not already in our dictionary, it should create this key in our dictionary. We'll drop down and execute. And now we see that our dictionary has name, height, location, and also eye color. If we wanted to get rid of this, we could say our dictionary and then use the pop function that we learned in the sets lecture and pass in eye color. It is cap sensitive, so that's why you saw me backspace the capital E and replace it with the lowercase e. Print our dictionary. We should remove the eye color key that we just added in. We see that we have. Like I said, dictionaries are very powerful and they're a very good tool for us. The takeaways from this video are that dictionaries are made up of key value pairs and that we can pull out values using the keys. I'll see you in the next video.